In this tutorial, I will explain how to find the transpose of a matrix in Python. So let's create a matrix. So suppose matrix name is A, and I'm going to create a matrix. So it has the values, let's say 7, 8, 9, and let's say 4, 5, 6, let's say 1, 2, 3. So this is the matrix. So let's first of all print this matrix. So I'm going to print this. So just run this cell, and you can see the matrix. So now what I will do, I will create a empty transpose, and then I will write the code to transpose the matrix. So very simple code is for I will run a for loop for rows in zip function I will use, and here I will pass the matrix. So matrix, and then I will use transpose dot append, and here I will pass rows to the list. Okay, that's it. And now let's print the transpose to check the output. So let's run this cell, and you can see my initial matrix is 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and now I have performed the transform. So you can see the transform is 7, 4, 1, 8, 5, 2, and 9, 6, 3. So it's very easy. So this way you can find the transpose of a matrix using zip function in Python. There are many other ways, but this one is very simple, and it's very important for interview point of view how to find the transpose of a matrix in Python. You can simply use zip function, and here I have created a matrix A, and I am passing this matrix in the zip function, and zip function is combining the values of this iterable, and then in the transpose, which is the empty initially, I am appending the rows. So very simple. Then I am printing the transpose of the matrix. So if you change the values, let's say value you change, and if you run the cell again, you can see the transpose of a matrix again. So very simple code.